In this AutoCAD tutorial, you will learn how to create a new worksheet, how to set up your units, how to create layers, and how to draw a house plan. This is the result what you will learn in this AutoCAD tutorial. Let's learn how to draw an AutoCAD house plan. First of all, let's go and take new worksheet. Let's go to File, New, Open, and Metric. Now we have new worksheet. What we have to do next? Now we have to set up our units. Let's go for that to Tools, Options, and User Preferences. Here we can choose our units. Let's choose millimeters here and millimeters here. Let's click OK. If you have a new worksheet and you have a grid on it like I do now, you have to know that you can switch it off anytime. Just click this Display Drawing Grid off and your grid will disappear. The next step, what we have to do, we have to put on our OSnap. You can find your OSnap here. Here is OSnap sign. You can click on this arrow and you can find there are all object snaps. It is necessary to put endpoint snap on, midpoint, center, node, perpendicular, and nearest. Some snaps are not necessary. And the next step, what we have to do, we have to create layers. Let's click this Layer Properties Manager and we have a table. This 0 layer is always on. Now we have to create some new layers. Let's click on this new layer. We can see the new layer appears and we can write word for it, walls. Enter. Now let's change the color of our walls. For example, let it be some color. OK. Let's take line white. We can choose any line white we want. The next layer, create new layer, dimensional. Enter. Let's change the color. And let's change the line white. Please have in mind that you can change a color and line white anytime you want. You can add new layer anytime you want and you can delete layers anytime you want. Now it's enough layers for us. Let's close. And one more thing we have to turn on, it's auto mode. Auto mode, it means that we will draw with straight lines, vertical or horizontal. It is necessary for us to draw a house plan. Let's take walls. Let's take line. Our auto mode is on. And let's easy draw our simple house plan. Let's click on any point we want to start our house plan. Let's show direction to that side what we want to draw our line. And let's click our dimension. It will be 81. We can see it here. Enter. Now the second dimension will be again 81. And we can close. Enter. Now we can draw our inner walls. Inner walls will be number 3. I can draw it with offset. Number 3. Enter. With this number we show dimension of our inner wall and we can finish. Now we can delete these lines. Let's take trim, select all, enter, and now we can delete our lines we don't need anymore. Enter to finish. So the next wall, I can see that the next wall is distance of here, it is 3 down, 3 enter, and the direction to this side, and 39 enter, 67, enter. As you can hear, I'm telling dimensions, what I'm writing in. And now I can offset my walls again. And I can trim them again with the same way I did before. Next wall, I can measure my new wall of this point to this direction and 32, enter. And I know that this distance is 32. Now the wall will be 26, again 3, and I can finish my wall. Now this line what I have put on will be not seen on the drawing. So if you have double lines, 2 free lines, one on each other, they will not appear in your drawing. So don't be afraid if you will leave some lines which are double. But if I want, I can delete this line. Click and delete. So I can delete this place. The next steps. I can take line, click point, 10 distance, the next distance is 15, then it's 54. Steps are free. I can take offset, number 3, enter, and I can do my steps. And the same from the other side.